Welcome to the Genius Olympiad music application video. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to apply. First, scroll down on the Genius website and click on Apply Now. Log in with the email address you previously registered with, then go to the Project section and click on Add New. Fill out the form completely, using only English characters and without any punctuation marks. Select the category you want to apply for. Make sure you have a YouTube media link for your project and paste a valid YouTube link in the media link field. You can use the preview button to check if your video has uploaded correctly. Proceed to the next page, where you have the option to upload any additional files related to your project. On the next page, you'll enter student information. To add a student who isn't yet in the system, click Add New Student and fill out the student's details completely before adding them to the project. The following page is only for certificate winners from Genius affiliated fairs. If you're a certificate winner, select the name of your affiliated fair from the list and click Send Request. Once you feel your application is complete, click Complete. The final step of the application is making the payment. Under the Project tab, select Make Payment. If you have multiple projects, you can select them all and proceed with payment. Click Checkout, enter your valid card information, and complete the payment by clicking the Pay button. You can also access the payment page through the Payment section. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@geniusolympiad.org.